Hello, my name is Isaac Mamaysky. I am the Chief Compliance Officer of Quant Street Capital. I'm also a partner in Potomac Law Group, where I started the investment advisors, asset managers, and private funds practice. I am very excited to present a compliance crash course for the new investment advisor marketing rule. This is an especially important and timely topic in the investment advisor world, and I'd like to briefly explain why. The SEC adopted the original advertising rule in 1961. The original solicitation rule was adopted in 1979. While the world has changed in unimaginable ways since those years, the advertising and solicitation rules had stayed mostly the same for decades, until just a few months ago. The new marketing rule has been a sea change to the investment advisor regulatory landscape. I'll give you just one little example. Prior to the new rule, it had been a foundational principle of investment advisor regulation that advisors could not use testimonials or endorsements in their marketing. This meant no online reviews, no website quotes from satisfied clients. The prohibition was based on the SEC's long-standing view that third-party reviews may be a misleading, sort of undue influence on investors when they make their investment decisions. But these days, we won't even walk into a restaurant without checking the online reviews first. Never mind making the infinitely more important decision of who should manage our retirement assets. So with the new marketing rule, investment advisors are now allowed to use testimonials and endorsements in their advertising, right? It's a modern rule, but they have to meet a series of detailed requirements before doing so. This is one of countless changes that makes the new rule a really important development for investment advisors. It has a direct day-to-day impact on their work and how they communicate with their actual and prospective clients. The marketing rule itself is a mere 6 pages long, no problem. But the SEC's adopting release is about 400 pages long. I've read these things so you don't have to. The goal of this presentation is to explain the key takeaways from these materials and hopefully provide advisors and their attorneys with a practical and action-oriented roadmap for compliance. I hope you'll attend.